8336 Granite Peak. So we have the screen door, which we love. We replace these with landlord locks and repaint the front door after. 2 blinds on this room, which is a decent size. And it's laminate flooring. We need a shower rod. Low maintenance tub, that's great. Beautiful stone counters. Upgraded light fixture. So I'm going to count this window by the front. So we're at 3 blinds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blinds so far. We need a fridge. So the laundry is at the front of the house. Looks like we have gas and a 3-prong. We need to seal that hole in the ceiling over there, so it's up to fire code. Although we might be able to get Redfin to do it because it is code. Gorgeous breakfast bar, really beautiful counters, undermount sink. We might want to add a gooseneck faucet there. They repainted the cabinets, and we have a stainless steel microwave. I don't mind those lights. The flooring looks to be new. It does appear to be in good condition. So we rekey the front door, the screen door, the garage door, and these 2 doors. So it's 5 doors, unless you just leave these as pass-through. So then, you know, it's not a security door at that point, but you could allow the fresh air to come in without having to worry about pets escaping, for example. But that's the property manager's call. Oh, nice upgraded fan. 10 blinds. I like the high ceilings. They were kind of low at the entrance of the property. 10 blinds, 11, 12, 13. So we're at 13 blinds, decent sized room and a nice sized closet. Carpet looks good. And so it's 10. We don't actually, let's see. No, we don't actually need blinds here. And you can have the natural light. Nice high ceilings in here too. The same light fixtures that were in the other bathroom. Looking good. Okay, but I believe this is laminate flooring.